corporate executives, you know, who run at 100 miles an hour, let's say, ignore their diets, and, you know, always in a rush to do something, skipping breakfast because they have a meeting. So you're engaging now in corporate workshops.
Yes, I decided to create a space in the Bespoke Wellness Group new space to focus on the level of team members that I believe need to be educated now on how to be a successful leader. They can have a lot of skill sets, but we haven't actually taught them how to be resilient. So I'm very blessed to have a large number of C-suites. That's mainly who I take care of because they want to know how to take better care of themselves. But if you interview any of them, they will tell you, Gord, that they wish that somebody told their younger selves how to take better care of themselves, because the corporate structure, or even owning your own business, is to try to burn the candle on both ends. And then when I become successful, I will take better care of myself. But as we're getting there, we're damaging our bodies, and literally we're getting into bad habits that are really hard to take.
And they're really paying for their behavior and having all kinds of regrets. Wish they'd started earlier, looking after themselves properly.